Wow, that was a close call. While Route Perrant, just east of the St. Andre Junction, at mile 14.17 Montmagny Sub, was only protected with crossbucks, the idiot in the car had a great sight line to see that 402 was there. As the car passed us and then drove down the crossing, they had to have seen 402 coming. As Kev's Railfanning is not real familiar with the Montmagny Sub, we were surprised by 402's arrival and had to do a real quick setup. So fast so that we did not notice the close call until the video was queued up to edit, and we were stunned. The crew must have cringed when they saw the car cross over so closely. The driver of the car must have had something so important to do that they could not wait about 2 minutes for the train to pass. For that, they almost became a permanent reminder at the crossing of stupidity, not tragedy. It would, however, have been tragic for the crew, as it would not be something they would ever forget. Thank you for watching the video of seeing A402. Wow, close call. We are continuing on with our June 2025 Railfan weekend. This was video 5. And until we meet up at our next location, wave to train crews while you wait at a crossing, and have a great and wonderful day.